Well, we have with us Milab Zaveri here in Pattaya, Thailand, on the sets of Mastizade. Wonderful to have you on Bollywood Hungama, first of all, Milab.
Thank you. I love Bollywood Hungama. I'm happy to be here. Happy to be with you, Faridun. And I love the cover versions you do of different film songs. Lovely. And I think it's great. You're expressing your passion through music. Very nice.
Great. Just shooting for this song called Rom Rom Romantic hai, I believe, and Amal Malik, I believe, has composed it. Mika has sung it as well. Now, tell us something about this particular song and what's the idea?
This is Bhushan Kumar sir's favorite song, one of his favorite songs. And when we met him for Mastizade, he was like, trust me. Let me sit on you with the music and let me work with you on the music, because I feel it's a great film, it's a great script, and I think you're going to do something mad. So I want to be part of the music integrally from the first step. Right. And he had this song, and so he made Amal come and meet Rongita and me. And the moment we heard it, we were in love with the song, and we loved it. And the lyrics are a little naughty and raunchy, and the lyrics are by Manoj Muntasahir, who is known for Galiyan. तो गलियाँ के बाद अब गालियाँ उनको आई होप ना पड़े, क्योंकि इसमें उन्होंने बहुत ही नॉटी बट बहुत ही फनी लिरिक्स लिखे हैं. एंड इट्स द 6/8 का गाना, आई थिंक, आई एम नॉट मिस्टेकन, जो होता है एक सर्टेन टाइप ऑफ जहाँ तेरी ये नज़र है, उस मूड का जो गाना होता है, जिसमें एक स्विंग है, एक एक रिलैक्स्ड कूल बीट है, नॉटीनेस है, रोमांस है. सो वी आर शूटिंग इट इन पटाया इन थाईलैंड ऑन द बीच विथ my two sonnies and Tushar and Veer, and it's good fun.
Now, you're shooting for Mastizade here in Pattaya. Now, Pattaya is known for its, it's also called the city of sin in many ways. Wives are not interested in sending their husbands out here as it. So why Pattaya? Is because of the vibe that the movie has?
No, the film, जो कहानी है, it's based in at one point in Pattaya. It comes to Pattaya, right. Because जो मस्तीज़ादे हम बना रहे, our tagline is मस्ती में तो हम सबके बाप लगते हैं. So the thought is that I wrote Masti 1, I wrote Grand Masti. Now I've written Mastizade along with Mushtaq Sheikh, right. And we are attempting to make maybe the bap of all sex comedies, right. And I think there's no better place than Thailand, Pattaya, as a base, as a backdrop for a film like that. Right. So इस film में there's madness, there's comedy, there's oomph. So Thailand, yeah, I mean, welcome to my land, Thailand.
Welcome to my land, Thailand. Many say that you've been doing a lot of interesting stuff right now as a writer. You've done some really fabulous work in 24 as a dialogue writer. Now you've also been associated with sex comedies. So who's the real Milab Zaveri?
Well, I'd like to say I'm multi-talented maybe. I always feel most of my career was associated with comedies, or the Sanjay Gupta brand of cinema. The Kantes, Musafirs. Then, as my first film didn't do well as a director, there was a lull, Jaane Ka Sahi. People were like, Jaane Kahan Gaya Milab. There was no work, nothing. Then Sanjay Gupta, pulled me back, got me back with Shoot Order Wadala, where my dialogues were appreciated. Then I did Ek Villain, which was a blockbuster. Main Tera Hero, 24, Grand Masti. So I've tried very hard for Idun to try and do every genre as a dialogue writer or as a writer, because I don't want to be slotted as one. But yeah, I think humor is my forte. I'm a happy person. I have a great life, I have a great wife, I have a great family. I have great producers, great actors in my film. I like laughing, I like making people laugh. There is no greater joy than sitting in a theatre and not seeing your film, but just looking around at people's faces. और जब वो लोग हंसते हैं, मुस्कुराते हैं, ताली बजाते हैं, there is no greater high for anyone. मतलब मुझे अगर आप 100 में से आप कितनी बार ऑडियंस को हंसाना चाहते हो, कितनी बार रुलाना चाहते हो, मैं कहूँगा 99 टाइम्स मैं हंसाना चाहता हूँ लोगों को. आई वॉन्ट पीपल टू लाफ, आई वॉन्ट हिम टू एन्जॉय, कम टू द थिएटर, प्रॉब्लम्स भूल जाए, मज़े करे, एन्जॉय करे. सो आई थिंक द रियल मिलाप ज़वेरी इज समवन हु वांट्स पीपल टू एन्जॉय लाइफ. मैं चाहता हूँ लोग कोई भी मुसीबत हो लाइफ में, प्रॉब्लम हो, तो मेरी पिक्चर आके देखे, इतना हंस के निकले कि वो 2 घंटे के लिए वो अपनी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स भूल जाए.